Hello guys, Amarnath Das, Vocational Trainer Electronics from Devijura High School, Jalpaiguri. Today's topic is clamp meter. So let's start. In this video, we will discuss about what is a clamp meter and what can it does, what measures can be made with a clamp meter, how do you get the most out of a clamp meter, and which environment friendly clamp meter should be used, and also the use of clamp meter. First, what is a clamp meter and what can it do? In electrical and electronic engineering, a current clamp or current probe is an electrical device having two jaws which open to allow clamping around an electrical conductor. This allows properties of the electric current in the conductor to be measured without having to make physical contact with it or to disconnect it from insertion through the probe. Current clamps are usually used to read the magnitude of a sinusoidal current and alternating current also. Very high alternating current about 100 to 1000 ampere and more are easily read with an appropriate meter. Direct current and very low AC currents are more difficult to measure. Now, types of current clamps. First, current transformer. A common form of current clamp comprises a split ring mode which is made up of ferrite or soft iron. A wire coil is wound around one or both halves, forming one winding of a current transformer. The conductor around which it is clamped from the other winding. Like any transformer, this type works only with AC pulse waves, with some example extending into the megahertz range, that is MHz range. When measuring current, the subject conductor forms the primary winding and the coils form the secondary. Next is iron vein. In the iron vein type, the magnetic flux in the core directly affects a moving iron vein, allowing both AC and DC to be measured and gives a true RMS value from non-sinusoidal AC waveforms. Due to its physical size, it is generally limited to power transmission frequencies up to around 100 Hz. The vein is usually fixed directly to the display mechanism of an analog clamp meter. Here it is the picture. Now, what measurements can be made with a clamp meter? Modern clamp meters are used for various measurements. Number 1, current measurements, AC or DC, from milliampere to ampere. Voltage measurement from AC to DC or AC DC both, and it is measured from milliampere to volt. Resistance measurement, continuity testing, and frequency measurement. Now, measuring current with a clamp meter. One of the most basic measurements of a clamp meter is current. Today's clamp meters are capable of measuring both AC and DC current. Typical current measurements are taken on various branches of circuit of an electrical distribution system. Determining how much current is flowing in various branch circuit are fairly common tasks to the electrician. Now, the safety checklist. For safe operation and maintenance of the product, we should remove batteries to prevent battery leakage and damage to the product if it is not used for an extended period. Okay. Be sure that the battery polarity is correct to prevent battery leakage. Repair the product before it is the battery leakage. How the machine is working, it should be approved by the technician. Do not operate the product with covers removed of the case is or the case is open. Okay, so this is the clamp meter. Hope you guys understand. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.